The finance market participants positively evaluated the measures undertaken by the National Bank of Kazakhstan in the stabilization of the situation with tenge and switching to the national currency savings. To remind, from the beginning of February, the maximum year rates on the newly attracted individual deposits in tenge increased from 10 to 14% and declined from 3 to 2% in foreign currency.
То, что делает Нацбанк, абсолютно понятно.
What the National Bank of Kazakhstan does is justified. What Kazakhstan Deposit Insurance Fund does is quite normal. They increase the percentage margin for people. There is a difference between how much yield you receive on keeping savings in tenge and dollars. What the difference is the favor for tenge. And in particular, some portion of people will be gradually switching to tenge because it is more beneficial. As for loans, experts note that in the near future, the banks will be more critical in choosing the borrowers and will firstly offer favorable credit terms to those clients who have a positive credit history within time payments. In addition, the tendency of increasing the interest rates on loans will continue, which is connected with fundamental factors.
Все банки приблизительно в одинаковой ситуации с точки зрения.
All banks are nearly at the same situation now in terms of attracting bonds. Since the major part of deposits is kept in dollars, the sources of funding in tenge to finance loans in tenge are limited, and the interbank market rates rose. As a result, if the bank takes expensive loans, it cannot offer cheap loans to its customers. Accordingly, an increase in interest rate leads to a higher credit product. This process took place in the whole system with respect to all customers. According to the analytical portal Ranking.kz, the consumer lending market in Kazakhstan is successfully resisting the pressure of the dollar towards the tenge. After the slight growth in September through November 2015, the level of non-performing consumer loans decreased by 1 to 8.2% of the loan portfolio by the end of the year, according to the analytical portal Ranking.kz. Despite the difficult economic conditions, the banks of Kazakhstan in 2015 managed a portfolio of consumer loans with a better quality than in 2014. The level of volatility of overdue loans share and segment was twice less.